girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
Tell me if you still love it. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this moment. Then again, I can be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh girl, yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, you think you got your groove, but you want someone like you. Tell me if you still love. It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? 101, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before. Before I had you right this home.
Feeling like some money tonight.
And again, I can be drunk.
Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel your best. I turn my whole about the crucial. It's crucial the way I left. Upstairs is like a lure. I know it just be the best. I'm looking at her and her starting to turn into you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her? We probably tripped to the birds. At 29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's better upstairs is elite. I don't make it squeak, make it squeak. I make this shit beat. Whatever tweak when I feast. Sleeping and slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it out the creek. Just leave the gate open. Notice I do I'm a creep. Are you about it to rail? And now that gets down to the sleep. And now you obsessed by yourself. A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell, do tell. Tell me, is you still love? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me, can we still fuck? Wonder when I'm in the zone right now. Tell me, am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. How I lied to way before I had you right this moment. But then again, I can be drunk.
I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make. You're trying to come back when you face. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make. You try to come back when you fail. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get me to stop. Yeah. I was on this side, I was over always. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around to save this love. And like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. The little young thing, had a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me, no doubt, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's a Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Ashimary hair, and today I'm reviewing a 360 unit from them, you guys. So as you guys can see, you can put this unit up into a ponytail, you can do a top knot bun, you can wear it slick back, you can wear it off to the side. I mean, you can literally do any and everything you want to do with this unit, and I had to share it with you guys, especially with this upcoming fall and winter season. This is going to be the perfect all-purpose unit, and the best thing about this unit is that everything is done for you right out of the box. I didn't even have to cut around my ears, which was really impressive because they have a pre-ear shape now. So you know, like typically you would get a frontal, you would like, you know, pull your ear down, you would cut behind it. Some people even cut like right where the band and the track start or end. Some people even do that and they cut their units like that. But for me, you guys, listen, this unit fits so perfectly, and I was really surprised about that new feature that they were adding, because a lot of companies are not doing that. You have to do so much customization with like a lot of other units. Everything is done for you this is the perfect unit for anybody out there who needs something that can save them time, and someone who isn't very well versed in hair. If you don't know how to like pluck the lace, if you don't know how to bleach knots, if you don't know how to cut the lace properly, you don't have to worry about that. You literally can take this unit right out of the box and apply it. The other great thing about this unit is that it did have the tape on the edges as well, so if you wanted to do a completely glueless, you could. But for me, I didn't do a glueless install today because I knew I was going to be pulling my hair back and up into this ponytail, and I didn't want the unit to shift too much while I was trying to like put my hair up in this top knot bun or the regular ponytail style that I did. But if you wanted to, you definitely could get away with doing a glueless install with this unit. The other great thing about this unit is that the fit is perfect. I love the fact that they have the adjustable elastic band in this unit, and they also have the invisible straps as well, so you can pull it as tight as you need to around the base of the unit here, and that was perfect for me because I didn't have to worry about the unit being too loose in the back or anything. Everything just fits nice and secure, and it's perfect for everybody. It doesn't matter if you have a larger head size or a smaller head size, you can customize this unit to fit you perfectly, just like I did. This unit also comes with multiple combs. However, you can literally just slide the combs out. You don't have to get a razor and cut them out. That was another thing that I really liked about this unit. Sometimes when you're trying to cut those combs out, you can accidentally cut a hole in your unit if you're too rough, and we don't want to damage our units like whatsoever, so I like the fact that that's removable. They also have a really long comb in the back as well, and I ended up hooking that underneath the elastic band in the back just to give me extra security. I made sure I kept that one in, but if you wanted to, you can also slide that one out as well. If you're not going to be wearing it in the top knot bun or a ponytail, you can just slide that out if it's bothering you, but you can always put it back in. So that's the thing, if you want to temporarily take the comb out, you can, and then you can slide it right back in literally 1 second. Like I mentioned, the knots in this unit do come pre-bleached, so you don't need to go out and buy any product and try to bleach this yourself. A lot of people don't know how to bleach their knots, and a lot of people end up over bleaching their knots or just completely ruining their unit. So the fact that this one already comes pre-bleached for you is just mwah, chef's kiss. We love that. And also you have the pre-cut lace. As you guys saw, the lace came pre-cut right out of the packaging, so you don't even have to worry about that. However, I don't like any extra lace for my units, so I did shave some of that pre-cut lace off, but you don't have to. That's completely optional. That was just my own personal preference. You can definitely leave that on if you like. But yeah, so yeah, they have little curly pieces back here, so you have like some kind of baby hair, and the lace in this unit looks really good. Even like here where I don't have like anything, it looks really natural. I love how well the lace blended in perfectly. I'm not sure if this is HD lace or not, or if it's just transparent lace, but I do like the lace on this unit. This is what it's looking like over here, okay, you guys, and this beautiful color. You guys can see that honey blonde and everything. Really love that. So I am going to turn around for you guys just so you guys can see the back of the unit, and then I'm also going to show you how to hook the clip underneath your strap in the back, so that way you don't have any exposure back there. So this is the back. I went ahead and I pulled the clip out for you guys just so you guys can see. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it, and you see how we have these clear straps. You want those to be tucked in, right? Make sure they're tucked in. The elastic band is here. Make sure all of this is tucked in there though. Tuck it in real good. So we do not want these out at all. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take the clip and slide it right under like that. Now for me, I don't know if you can see the lace back there, so what I like to do is just tuck that too. So I'm gonna tuck that, all of that around. And there. Okay. So hopefully you guys were able to see that. I tried to show you guys like as best as I could how I did that. But yeah, I like the little top bun with these little curly pieces in the front. It is so hot in LA though right now, you guys, so I definitely had to like have like a nice updo, and that's what I love about it, because even if it's hot, cold, literally any weather, you can wear this unit. You can wear it up, you can wear it down, you can do a slick back, you can even braid the front. I've seen a lot of girls doing braids. I might actually do that next and braid the entire front, or just maybe braid the side. You can do that because it is a 360 unit, so you get lace all the way around and the tracks are just in the center. But yeah, you guys, so that about wraps up today's video. Hopefully I covered everything for you guys. If you have any questions that I didn't answer, drop a comment down below and I get to you guys as soon as I can. Big thank you to all of you guys for watching. Shout out to Ashimary Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.